Good day, guys. Welcome to Julius Academy. And our topic for today is daybook. We are still under the course Basic Accounting Process and System. All right. So, what's daybook? Another name for daybook is you can call it book of original entry. You can call this book of original entry. Original entry. Or you can say book of what? Prime entry. You can also call it what? Journals. So what's daybook or book of original entry or book of prime entry? Now, subsidiary book, which is what I use the most. Subsidiary book, it is a book that is used to record transaction as they occur before transferring it to what ledger account. Alright, so we have about 6 subsidiary books. Some might give you 7. That is, some people in some textbook they might choose to separate petty cash book from cash book. But I'm going to make this brief because what I want to discuss is just theory. Now, sales journal or sales day book, we use it to what? To record what? Credit sales. Now, what are the items or the details that comprises of what? Or that forms sales day book or purchases day book, which is can also call it sales journal or purchases journal, is so we have our date, we have the name of the business or organization, we have the name of customer or supplier. Now, before I proceed, this format or these items that I'm talking about relate to this four. That is sales journal, purchases journal, sales return journal, and purchases return journal. So another name for sales return journal is return inward. Another name for purchases return journal is what? Return outward. So you have this, we have our invoice number, we have our ledger number, or they can just say folio. We also have the net amount, that is after you must have deducted trade discount or value added tax, depending on, that is if the goods that you are dealing with is vatable, then you deduct value added tax from the source. All right. And you also have various other amounts. In some aspect you might have details and the likes. So sales day book or sales journal, it is used to record what? Credit sales. That's the only purpose for it. Credit sales. Purchases journal is used to record what? Credit purchase. That is goods bought on credit. Sales return, also known as return inward journal or day book rather, we use it to record goods returned by the customer. If you remember when I was explaining source documents in our previous class, I said it if it is return inward, so it will be accompanied, we will issue out what? Credit note to our customers. But if it is return outward, that's purchases return, then we will receive a credit note from our supplier. So these are the source documents that back up each of these books. So in and around this are the invoice number. It's for our sales journal, it's going to be sales invoice number. For our purchases journal, it's going to be what? Purchases invoice number. Then for sales return, it will still be what? Sales invoice document, because it is from there that we must have issued out our sales in the first place. Now, cash book. Cash book is used to record cash and bank transaction. Nothing more, nothing less. But for 3-column cash book, they can decide to add our discount allowed and discount received. All this will still be explained better on in our subsequent class. Then general ledger. Now, what's the difference? What do we use general ledger for? We use general ledger to record transactions that cannot be recorded in other what? Day book or subsidiary book. Another thing we use journal for, we use it to record we use it to record non-current assets bought on credit. We use it to record goods drawings. When we withdraw goods on credit, we include it there, and some other items that has to do with our equity. You understand? That's what we make use of it for. All right. Okay, let me go back to cash book. We have 3 to 4 types of cash book. We have single column cash book. We have double column cash book. We have 3 column cash book. Then we also have petty cash book. So they can choose to separate it, the petty cash book from, but I feel it's part of it, depending on what you are being asked to do. So let me so this is all for what? Daybook. If you have any question as regards this, ask it in the comment section and I'll reply to it. Thank you for watching our video. Kindly like and subscribe. See you in our next class. Thank you.